piszę muzykę filmową i to jest takie miejsce magiczne, w którym ona jest eksponowana, doceniana. Ja jestem z pochodzenia krakowianinem, w związku z czym to jest dodatkowo dla mnie i nobilitujące, i fantastycznie magiczne przeżycie.
I feel really honoured. It's actually an orchestrator's dream on stage. We have all this incredible array of instruments that are rarely heard on their own, let alone in an orchestral context.
Never had my music performed in a venue of this size. That's pretty interesting. They're composers I'm familiar with and I regard highly, so I'm flattered to be in such fast company.
I have never really performed this music live before, so this is really the first time that it's performed live by a symphony orchestra. I was very grateful to the festival to give me this opportunity.
Modern film scoring isn't just about the orchestra. We also have a lot of electronic elements, so to be able to synchronize the electronics and the live musicians together is very difficult, and then mix them together in the video. I'm so impressed and blown away by how incredible the production is here. It's a moment where I'm really kind of soaking in how important what we do for art and cinema is, you know, so it's very important, the role of the film composer, and it's being celebrated here in Krakow, and I'm just so honored to be here.